our water losses.
How many cycles you have for the blow down? When you blow down, before blow down, how many cycles?
One cycle directly from cooling system through pipelines towards RO plant, RO station.
So you don't recycle there?
No, we have, you mean before RO?
Before RO?
Before RO there is a pre-treatment.
Closed system. In the evaporation towers.
From 3 up to 4.
Yeah.
Concentration factor for all salts.
Okay.
If the number of concentration higher than this number, you have to open the blow down valve to send this water to RO station.
Okay. Because sometimes you can go up to 6 or 7 with some addition of chemicals.
This is according to chemical program.
Yes.
You can make any program according to different NEC.
Yes. So you can look at chemical injections. What type of program you have.
If you increase the number of concentration, also you will face a big problem. You have to apply good chemical treatment program with very care. Yes.
So you can save there. Instead of 3 cycles, you can go 5 or 6. So it means double saving.
As I mentioned now, get high water quality from the beginning. Number 2, reducing and making recycling for any losses of water, such as blow down and evaporation. Blow down, okay, we have RO, but evaporation is still under study. I believe also to achieve, to enhance or improve water quality and efficiency of water, we have to get to give our people training and sessions for how to reuse the water, how to know everything about water treatment, water quality, water saving.
Why the evaporation is so high, 70%? Is the temperature difference very high?
This is according to our operation condition for each cooling system. For example, yes, for design. Here in this cycle, in direct cooling system, almost of operation here, around 2,800 cubic meter per day.
Out of? How
2,800.
How much is your basin capacity?
This capacity around 2,000, sorry. 2,000 cubic meters. All makeup water per day, 3,000 cubic meters. For system number 1, number 2, number 3. 3,000 cubic meters. Makeup, including blow down and evaporation. Our losses, blow down, evaporation.
Yes.
That's all.
Ihab, how do those figures compare to the plant you used to work for in Egypt? If you compare the water consumption in your previous plant in Egypt to this one, how do they compare?
We tried before to compare all parameters with another companies in different locations.
Right.
But here, especially in Saudi Arabia, the situation is different.
In which sense?
Because in Egypt, for example, 1 ton of water, 1 pound, 1 Egyptian pound and 20. 1 and 20. Here in Saudi, 8.3, 8.2 Saudi riyal.
But 3,000 cubic meter blow down is too high. It's very.
No, it is here. 120 cubic meter per hour. Our consumption, water consumption.
What is the temperature of it is 600 degrees?
Delta T for all around 50 degree. 50 degree. The cold water around 33 and the hot water around 55. 50. Around 50.
Delta T 70.
Yes. From 50 up to 20.
15 to 20.
According to the weather. According to the weather, because not every day it's different. Our target in the future to make engineering approach for cooling towers, to check the efficiency of cooling towers, if these cooling towers are working properly or not, using some measurements like actual flow rates by ultrasonic flow meters, but everything will be actual, not designed, because already all our calculations according to design. But in this approach, we will measure and check everything actually in the field. Flow rates and dew point, moisture, wet bulb temperature, dry bulb temperature, to the speed, air speed, like this.
Yeah.
In simulation and software programs, you will know the efficiency of your cooling towers.
Is this acceptable or not?
Yeah.
And what will be done?
Curious, just before we kind of go on, this is kind of, obviously, this is the big water use in your company. But obviously you would have some other smaller water uses as well. How much of a share is that of your total water use in your company? So you have, how much are you using?
Like human consumption.
You have just kind of domestic
irrigation, this type of thing.
It's separate for
Yes.
irrigation and human use.
Yeah.
They use
How much?
for spraying, for
Yeah.
Yes.
it is a separate system.